Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Andre Drago and this is the Healthy Lifestyle. And today I will talk about olive oil and some benefits what olive oil brings with it, and what will happen to your body if you use olive oil consistently for 2 weeks every day in the morning on your empty stomach. So stay tuned and follow me.
It can boost your immune system. It is loaded with powerful antioxidants that work within the body to fight damage from free radicals which attack healthy cells. When antioxidant levels are low, the body is unable to fight off free radical damage and disease can occur. Extra virgin olive oil increases your ability to fight off sickness and disease. It protects your heart. Studies show that a daily intake of extra virgin olive oil lowers the risk of heart disease of all kinds. It has been shown to thin the blood, reduce blood pressure, decrease the risk of stroke, regulate cholesterol by lowering the LDL and maintaining the HDL. It's all due to the high level of antioxidant plant compounds that protect red blood cells from damage and help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. It reduces inflammation and eases arthritis pain. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which work as an anti-inflammatory and help to reduce swelling and pain in arthritic joints. The Arthritis Foundation in the UK recently recommended consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons daily to reduce joint inflammation caused by arthritis. The oleocanthal in olive oil mimics the action of ibuprofen and can be added to a daily diet to aid in pain reduction, and this is a natural remedy without any harmful side effects. Healthy skin. Extra virgin olive oil is high in fat-soluble vitamin E, which is well known for skin health and has been used throughout history to treat a variety of skin conditions including psoriasis and eczema. It is also extremely hydrating and won't strip the natural oils from your skin like other harsh chemical-based beauty products. May improve bone health. Olive oil consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of bone loss as you age. The polyphenols in the EVOO assist in calcium absorption, and the vitamin K helps to improve bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. Helps your body to detoxify. Combine 1 shot of olive oil with the juice of half a lemon and a little warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This powerful combination will help your body to get rid of toxins and pollutants that accumulate in the liver. It also helps to clean the gallbladder, and its slight laxative effect will relieve constipation and keep your colon healthy. Can help weight loss. It may seem like an oxymoron, but you need to eat fat to lose fat. The healthy monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil help to boost your energy, fuel your metabolism, cause new cell growth, assist nutrient absorption, and provide your body with healthy calories. These healthy fats are key to controlling excess insulin and can help to lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. May help to lower blood pressure. It has been demonstrated that adding olive oil to a diet has a clear lowering effect on blood pressure. Regular consumption of olive oil decreases both systolic, maximum, and diastolic, minimum, blood pressure, possibly because of a reduction in nitric acid caused by the polyphenols. It can help to protect against Alzheimer's disease. Extra virgin olive oil contains up to 75% monounsaturated fat, which is beneficial to the brain. Research shows that it can protect the brain, inhibit cognitive decline, improve memory, reduce the risk of depression, and help to prevent Alzheimer's disease. This is brain food in a bottle.
Okay my friends, that was everything what I shared with you, and now you can understand me why I encourage you to use extra virgin olive oil on your daily basis, or just use it regularly, so you can see some benefits. But if you want to see some big benefits and some big results from olive oil, I encourage you to use olive oil for 2 weeks daily in the morning on your empty stomach, just 1 tablespoon, and also 1 tablespoon at the night before you go to sleep. And after 2 weeks you will see some big results and some big benefits, believe me. And now to remind you, olive oil is good for your skin, it's good for your hair, it's good for your nails, it's good for your liver, it's good for your stomach, it's good for your cholesterol, it's good for your immune system, and the list goes on and on. Has a lot of benefits and a lot of good stuff in it. So use it correctly and use it the right way so you can see some big benefits and some big results. And now one more thing, if you find this content useful and this whole information, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you the next time, and stay healthy, be healthy, because that's the most important thing in life, to stay healthy and to be healthy. So take care of yourself, and hopefully I will see you the next time. Take care.